How to upload your WooCommerce products into a Reddit product catalog. Because you need a Reddit product catalog if you want to run what is called dynamic ads, automatic retargeting. Uh, if you are doing this on Facebook or Meta or on Google or on TikTok, on Pinterest, you already know how it works. Basically, your pixel, in this case the Reddit pixel, sends events like view content, add to cart, or purchase to Reddit, and Reddit, based on this information, can show ads to the users, to their users that visited your product, maybe added them to cart, but did not purchase them yet. So this is dynamic retargeting. So what you need, first of all, you need to have the Reddit pixel installed on your website, and you need to fire e-commerce related events. So when a product is visualized, is visited, you have to fire the specific view content event. If you have an add to cart, you have to fire the add to cart event. And if you have a purchase, of course, you have to send the purchase event. So this is done by our dedicated Reddit plugin. If you have Pixel your site, we now have a plugin called Reddit Pixel add-on, and it does just that. It adds the Reddit pixel on all your pages, fires e-commerce specific events for WooCommerce, and other events if you need them. But in this scenario, you just need the e-commerce specific events. However, the next things you need is to import your WooCommerce products into a Reddit catalog, the same way we do it for Meta, for example. And we have now support for Reddit feed in our product catalog feed for WooCommerce. So what I'm going to do, I will create a feed here in the plugin. This is the plugin installed on my demo website, and I will create a catalog here inside my Ads Manager Reddit from here. Let's do it. Too much talking. Okay, so catalogs right here at the bottom. Create a new catalog, demo catalog in my case. Select the pixel installed on your website. If you have multiple pixels associated with your account, make sure you select the same pixel that is installed on the website from where we are going to import the data. Language, English, okay. Add the product source. First, we need to create the feed. So back to the feed plugin, create a new feed, give it a name, select the type, and the type should be Reddit. If you don't see Reddit, make sure you update the catalog plugin from us, because this is a recent feature that we added. And just go with the default settings. I mean, you should not do any changes. I will explain a thing about the IDs after I import data, but other than that, nothing should be changed. Generate. Now it takes a while for the plugin to generate the first version of the feed, depending on how many products you have and what traffic you have on the websites. Sometimes it's helpful if you refresh the page like I just did and copy the feed URL. You will need it later, but first let's continue here. Add a product source, product feed, feed name, demo, feed URL. We don't have password protection for it, and decide how often Reddit will go and refresh the data from the feed. If you add products on a constant basis, or if you want to upload the stock, I mean, it's best to do it daily. We have similar options here inside the plugin, how often the feed will regenerate in the global settings, daily, various options. So I would go with daily. It works best in most cases. And save. Create catalog. And now Reddit will come and get the products from your feed. It might take a while, and you will see information about rejected products, approved products here. This is it. This is how you can upload the products using our dedicated add-on. One important thing, if you use our plugin for Reddit, I mean this one, we have it right here, add-ons, you can find it here. Go with the default settings for the ID and keep the default settings for the ID here. If you use something else to install the pixel, make sure that the pixel events, the e-commerce specific pixel events, have the same ID, product ID logic as the feed. And you can check with Pixel Helper what's the ID for the product for each e-commerce specific event, and it should be similar to what you have in the feed. And if you need some changes, like adding a prefix or suffix or selecting something else, we have some options here for the ID. You can change between these two values, and you can add something in front of it or after it. But I recommend you use our add-on and don't make any changes. It's best if you go with the defaults. This is all you need to do. Let's check if we have some data from Reddit now. It takes a while. Now you are able to run dynamic ads because you have both the catalog and Reddit pixel on the website, and you are all set. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Cristian Stoicescu from Pixel Your Site. Like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.